Hey fellow artists, and welcome to Kids Art Quest. Today we are going to draw a boat, a sailboat. Floating on the river, floating on the lake.
Like with
the boat
triangle?
life. Yeah, the boat life.
You go like this for a triangle.
It's true. You go like that for a triangle. All right, you guys at home, make sure you have your Sharpies so that you can draw along with us. And if you are drawing with a Sharpie, make sure you have 2 pieces of paper so it doesn't go through and stain anything. You can also use a pencil, crayon, marker. Let's draw a boat. All right, everybody. To start drawing our boat, let's put our markers in the middle of the paper and let's draw a line going across, just about like that. This is going to be the side of our boat.
That's my stick to run on.
Now on the left side here, draw an angled line about that long. Good. Now let's do the same thing on this side, just like that. Now we're going to draw our water. And this can be fun. You're just going to draw a wavy line. You want that line to connect with the lines of your boat. So just draw it however you see fit. However you want to see the waves. There you go. Kylie's in rough waters. Xavier's in really rough waters.
Wait.
Wow, they've got some trouble brewing in those waves. All right, I've got calm waters ahead. Now we're going to draw the mast that holds the sails. So we're going to start in the middle of your boat and just draw a straight line going up about that tall.
I won't make it not that tall. I don't want to make it that tall.
Do whatever you want. And now we're gonna, from the mast, we're gonna start down here and go left all the way to the end of the boat. Great, excellent. Good job. To finish off one of the sails, we're gonna start at the top of the line here, the mast, and we're going to draw a slightly curved line and we're going to connect it to there. So it's almost like a triangle. It's like a triangle with a curved side. Great, looks good. Now we're going to draw the other mast, or the other sail. We're going to draw the other sail, and this sail is going to be connected to the front of the boat here, and you're going to draw a little curved line like that right to there. Good.
Oh.
That's good. It's great. Now come over here to the top of your mast, and then another curved line here to connect the second sail. Excellent. Now we have to draw the rudder so that we can drive our boat, right? So let's draw a straight line up, across, like that. And then it's gonna angle down like this, and then go straight down. So you're gonna go angle it, and then go straight down. Good. And now the other part is gonna come across, straight down into the water like that. Excellent. That's how we can control our boat left and right.
Left, right,
Now I'm just going to draw a little bit more detail and draw another line going across there. All right, guys, and there's our simple boat. Now we get the fun part, and we get to color it. So let's color. right, we've got some awesome boats here. Show everybody your boat. Very nice. I love it. You do that every time. Show your boat, not the back of the page. Show your boat. All right, guys. I hope you had a great time.
Here's my boat.
I know these monkeys had a great time. Guys, what do our fellow artists at home need to do?
Like and subscribe. Yeah.
Like and subscribe. All right, and send us your boats if you have them. We'd love to show them off. Thanks again, guys. Bye.